Hello, today we're going to do Math Kangaroo in 2015. 5 points problems. Question number 17. Each of the 9 sides of the triangles in the picture will be colored blue, green, or red. 30 of the sides are already colored. Which color can X have? Can side X have if the sides of each triangle must be colored in 3 different colors? So now, these 2 are red. And this is blue. So now, if X was blue, then this would be red, and this would be red. And then one of these would have to be red, so then it doesn't work because then they're all red. So now. Okay, so now if X was red, then this could be green, and this could also be green. And then this is blue, and this is blue. And this is red. That works. So A is not the answer, B is not the answer, D is maybe the answer, and E is not the answer. So it's either C or D. Now if X was green, then this could be green, and this also could be green. And then this would be red, red, and then here would be wrong. So only red can be the X. D is not the answer. Question number 18. 3 green apples, 5 yellow apples, 7 green pears, and 2 yellow pears are in a stack. Without looking, Sebastian takes either an apple or a pear out of the stack. How many pieces of fruit must he take out of the stack so to be sure of having at least 1 apple and 1 pear of the same color? So now, now 5 apples and the 7 apples. If they took out 7 green apples and 5 yellow pears, oh, and 5 yellow apples. And then these 2 are the most biggest numbers in the yellow green pieces of fruits. And if they add together equals to 12 pieces of fruit. So now if we take one more pieces of fruit, then it would be plus 1 equals to 13. So then E is the answer. Question number 19. For the game of chess, a new piece, the kangaroo has been invented. With each jump, the kangaroo jumps either 3 squares vertically and 1 horizontally, or 3 horizontally and 1 vertically as pictured. What is the smallest number of jumps the kangaroo must make to move from its current position to position A? So right now, we can move from here 1, 2, 3 horizontally and 1 vertically, and 1, 2, 3 vertically and 1 horizontally. Now 1, 2, 3 vertically and 1 horizontally. It took us 3 moves, so B is the answer. Question number 20. Sarah bought 3 books. For the first book, she paid half of her money, plus 1 euro more. For the second book, she paid again half of her leftover money, plus 2 euros more. For the third book, she paid again half of her leftover money, plus 3 euros more. After which she had spent all of her money, how much money did she have to begin with? But now, after half of her leftover money and 3 euros more, there were no more. So then half would be 3. So then half would also be 3. 3. It would be 3 plus 3 equals to 6. And then 6 plus 2 equals to 8. And then we need to times 2, 16. And then 16 plus 1 equals to 17. And then 17 times 2 equals to 34. So C is the answer. Question number 21. Nina wants to make a cube from the paper net. From the paper net. You can see there are 7 squares instead of 6. Which squares can she move from the net so that the other 6 squares remain connected, and from the newly formed net a cube can be made? So now we can only take out 4, 7, and 3 because they are the side one. If we take out 2, 3 is lost. If we take out the other ones, they are lost. So we can only take out 4, 7, and 3. So now if we take out 3, then it would be this one up, and this one up. 7 will be the top one, and 2 will be here, and 7 will still be there. So we can take out 3. So not A, not E, maybe C, maybe D, and maybe E. So now we're gonna try taking out 7, and then it would be 1, 5, 6, 4 at the top, 2 here, and 3 would cover 6, 7. So then it would still be good. So not C, maybe D, maybe E. Now, if we take out 4, 5 up, 7 up, 1 up, 2 here, So then it would be 5 here, 7 here, 2 here, and 3 would be nowhere, and the top would be missing. So we cannot take out 4. So D is the answer. Only 3 or 7. Now, question number 22. A train has 12 carriages. In each carriage, there is the same number of compartments. Mike is sitting in the 18th compartment behind the engine. This is in the third carriage. Jonah is sitting in the 50th compartment behind the engine. This is the 17th carriage. How many compartments are in one carriage? So right now, in carriage 3 are 18 compartments. It could be 18, or there could be more. In this place, it could be 6 compartments in each carriage. And right here, if there were 6 times 7, 42. It would be enough for 50. And the next one, 7 times 7 equals to 49. Still not enough for 50. Nah. And now 7 times 8 equals to 56. That's more, but enough. So the answer is B, 8. Question number 23. How many ways can 3 kangaroos be placed in 3 different squares that no kangaroo is immediate neighbors? So first, we can do 1 here, here, and here. And now we can use orange for here, here, and here. And now yellow for here, here, and here. So now it would be green. Here, here, and here. Blue. You can do here, here, and here. And now we can use the lighter blue for here, here, and here. And now this color. Here. Here. And here. And now we can use this here, here. Oh wait, here, and here. And now black. Here. Here and here. And then we'll use a lighter shade of black. Here. Here. And here. So then there it is. Done. That's 10 at most. So D is the answer. Question number 24. Maria writes a number on each face on the cube. Then for each corner point of the cube, she adds the numbers on the faces which meet at the corner. For corner B, she adds the numbers on faces B, C, D, and A. B, A, E, and F, and B, F, G, and Z. And this way, she gets a total of 14 for corner C, 16 for corner D, and 24 for corner E. Which total does she get for corner F? So now, we can pretend that this is 1. Wait. We can just draw some imagination lines like this. So that it would look more cubey. Right here is 1. This is 6 on the top. This is 4 right here. 3, 1, 5, and 2. So then we can pretend that these are some numbers represented. So now C would have been 3, 4, and 6. Like imagine like X, Y, and Z, but instead we're going to use numbers equals to 14. And then D would 6, 4, and 5 equals to 16. And then E, 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 16. And then F, which we're going to get later, is 3, 2, and 1. It equals to something. And now, right here, these two both have 4 and 6. So then right here, 16, 4 plus 6 will be 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5 equals to 4 plus 6. And right here, 16 minus 4 equals to 2. So 5 equals to 2. Because these two are not included. So 5 equals to 2. And now right here, 16 equals to 1 plus 2 equals to 16 minus 5, and 5 equals to 2. So 16 minus 2 equals to 16 minus 2 equals to 14. And so, no, wait, E equals to 24. So then 24 minus 2. 24 minus 2 equals to 22. So then 1 plus 2 equals to 22. 1 plus 2 plus 1, and then plus 5, plus 3. 3. So right here, we can use 6 and 4. Oh no, we don't need that anymore because they're all the same. And then 5 is 2, so then 16 minus 4 equals to 2. 2. So then 5 would be 2 more than 3. And so then 3 would be 0. It would be 22 plus 0 equals to 22. So C is the answer. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.